barbecue seasoning. Now we're talking. Let's break this down so you can build your own barbecue blend from scratch, customize it to your taste, and understand why each ingredient is there so you're not just following a recipe, you're mastering it. The anatomy of a great barbecue seasoning. Every solid barbecue blend has 4 core layers. 1. Savory base. This gives depth and umami. Paprika, sweet or smoked. Garlic powder, onion powder. 2. Sweet balance. Helps caramelization and bark formation. Brown sugar, coconut sugar, maple sugar, honey powder. 3. Heat. Choose your spice level. Black pepper, cayenne pepper, chipotle powder, chili powder. 4. Flavor boosters. This is where personality lives. Mustard powder, cumin, coriander, dried herbs like thyme, oregano. DIY barbecue seasoning blend, classic and balanced. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of paprika, smoked for deeper flavor, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, optional, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cayenne, optional for heat. How to make it: measure all ingredients, whisk thoroughly to remove clumps, taste, dab on your finger or mix with oil and sample, adjust sweetness, heat, or salt as needed, store in an airtight jar. Custom barbecue flavor variations. Spicy barbecue, add extra cayenne or chipotle powder. Swap chili powder for ancho chili. Sweet barbecue, increase brown sugar, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon or allspice, trust me. Herb-forward barbecue, add dried thyme, rosemary, or oregano. Great for chicken and pork. Low-sodium barbecue, skip salt, add extra garlic, onion, and paprika to compensate. Best ways to use your barbecue seasoning: dry rub for ribs, brisket, chicken, mix with oil for a wet rub, season roasted veggies, stir into burger patties, sprinkle on fries or popcorn. Storage tips: use an airtight glass container. Store away from heat and light. Shelf life is 6 to 12 months. Pro tip: game changer. For maximum flavor, lightly toast the seasoning in a dry pan for 30 to 60 seconds. Let cool before storing. This wakes up the spices. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship Today.